We work hard, we save what we can, but sometimes the math just doesn't add up. The late night worry, the feeling that you're just one step away from falling behind. We've all been there. But what if the answer wasn't about working harder? What if there was wealth waiting for you, hidden in plain sight? Right now, billions of dollars are sitting in government accounts, unclaimed. Behind these dusty records are life-changing sums, unclaimed funds, and tax deed surpluses that belong to everyday people. Most people walk right past it. But for those who know where to look, it's a path to financial freedom. I've spent years mastering the art of discovering hidden wealth. It's not about luck, it's about a proven system to recover what's rightfully yours. Transformation starts with one decision. Let's find what's waiting for you. This is your moment to reclaim your future. Right now, we're looking to fill just 5 more seats inside our Mastermind program. And because you've been part of this community, you can use coupon code MASTERMIND for a special discount. If you've been waiting for the right time to explore a different path, this might be it. I'll see you inside.